Even as Christ is the head of the church, and he is the Savior of the body. Therefore, as the church is subject unto Christ, so let the wives be to their own husbands in everything. Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands, as it is fit in the Lord. Yun lang ang nakita ko na karapatan ng men. Yes, sir. Wives, submit yourself to your husbands. Kaya, meron na kayong dapat yung mga men, you should have memorize this Colossians 3:18 to 19. Yun nagsasabihin ninyo. If they will invoke RA 9262, you invoke also this verse in the Bible. So, without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome everyone to this Father's Week celebration in the provincial government of Apayao. Thank you very much, and once again, great glory.